To fix the PayPal error, you must be a verified member to accept this payment. Follow these steps. First, understand what the error means. This error occurs when you are trying to receive a payment through PayPal, but your account is not verified. Verifying your PayPal account is essential to lift the sending and receiving limits and to make your account more secure. To verify your account, you need to confirm your email address and link a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your PayPal account. To start the verification process, log into your PayPal account and click on the summary page. If your account is not verified, you will see a message indicating that you need to verify your account. Click on the Verify Account link and follow the instructions. You will be asked to confirm your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by PayPal. Once you have confirmed your email address, you will need to link a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your account. You can do this by clicking on the wallet link at the top of the page and then clicking on Link a Card or Bank. After you have linked a bank account, credit card, or debit card, you will need to confirm it. To confirm a bank account, PayPal will make 2 small deposits into your account. You will need to log in to your online banking and find the 2 small deposits made by PayPal. Then, go back to your PayPal account and enter the 2 deposit amounts. To confirm a credit or debit card, PayPal will charge a small fee to your card. You will then need to log in to your online banking and find the small charge made by PayPal. The description of the charge will include a 4-digit code. Go back to your PayPal account and enter the 4-digit code. Once you have verified your account, the error "you must be a verified member to accept this payment" should be resolved, and you should be able to receive payments through PayPal without any issues. Make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to avoid any future errors.